There we go, the Na Fianna Force. Or at least that's how I think we say it. Bit like Flight of the Pterosaur. Same manufacturer. But ooh, how lovely that sun.
And it's got some speed on this one as well. That seems to be an ongoing thing here.
Yeah, it does. Here we go, down the first drop. Big drop. Oh yes! Woo! Jess is screaming. Woo! Hey, over the quest. Oh, getting a bit of a swing on. Way. Woo! Looping back round. Way. Be first, be Na Fianna.
That was very nice, and it was very smooth on the brakes on the way in as well.
Definitely was.
I enjoyed that. Very good.
Oh, very good. Back into the station.